In this video, we highlight the top 5 cordless electric screwdrivers of 2026. From powerful torque to smart features and compact design, these tools are built for precision and convenience. All product links and updated pricing details are included in the description below. So let's jump right in. Number 5. UF Tools Mini Electric Screwdriver. The UF Tools Mini Electric Screwdriver, a 58-in-1 rechargeable kit built for watch, mobile phone, and small electronics repair. This tool is powered by a 10,450 lithium battery with a capacity of 350 mAh. It charges fully in under 70 minutes, with a white light indicator during charging and a green light when ready. Once charged, you get up to 1 hour of continuous use and a standby time of 30 days. The idling speed reaches 200 rotations per minute. You get both electric torque between 0.25 to 0.35 Newton meters and manual torque up to 3 Newton meters, giving you precise control. The handle, crafted from aluminum alloy with a sandblasted finish, measures just 15.8 by 180 millimeters. Inside, you will find 58 neatly color-coded bits, a charge degausser, a dual-purpose crowbar, suction cup, card removal needle, crimping forceps, and a strong magnetic design that ensures screws stay attached. Thanks to its built-in adjustable magnetism and dual power mode, you can switch between manual and electric use instantly without harming the motor. The 180-degree bit compartment ensures bits do not fall off, while the triple LED lighting brightens tight, shadowed spaces. Whether you are fixing a smartphone or assembling delicate gadgets, the UF Tools Mini Electric Screwdriver puts reliable power and versatility right in your hands. Number 4. OIMG Precision Electric Screwdriver Set. This is the OIMG Precision Electric Screwdriver set, a 59-in-1 powerhouse designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. Inside, you will find 54 magnetic precision bits that cover virtually every type of screw used in mobile phones, laptops, cameras, watches, drones, and more. It is equipped with dual torque settings, 0.05 Newton meter for delicate tasks and up to 0.3 Newton meter for tougher jobs. Whether you are repairing a tablet computer or disassembling a precision instrument, this tool delivers the perfect balance of power and control. Powered by a built-in battery with a capacity of 400 mAh, it offers an impressive continuous runtime of 2 to 3 hours. That is enough to tighten up to 1,000 screws on a single charge. The built-in display screen clearly shows the battery status, so you will never be caught off guard by a low charge. The screwdriver operates smoothly and quietly, making it ideal for both home and professional environments. The compact and lightweight design ensures easy storage and portability, whether in a drawer or your toolbox. Adjustable speed and torque settings allow for optimal results, replacing traditional manual screwdrivers with efficient precision. Durable construction, a wide selection of bits, and long battery life make the OIMG electric screwdriver set a must-have for anyone working with electronics or small devices. Number 3. DIY 51-in-1 Precision Screwdriver Set. This is the DIY 51-in-1 Precision Electric Screwdriver set, a compact, high-performance power tool built for speed, accuracy, and durability. It features a strong magnetic motor with a maximum speed of 170 rotations per minute. The all-metal gearbox ensures the bit concentricity is less than 0.2 millimeter during rotation, significantly improving precision and assembly efficiency. The handle is powered by a 3.7-volt direct current lithium battery with a capacity of 350 mAh. It fully charges in under 30 minutes and can drive over 400 precision screws on a single charge. 2 LED lights on the tip illuminate dark workspaces, allowing for accurate repairs even in tight or shadowed areas. This set includes 48 S2 steel precision bits with a hardness of up to 60 on the Rockwell hardness scale. These bits are tough, wear-resistant, and suitable for most electronics, such as mobile phones, laptops, personal computers, watches, and small household appliances. You can switch between manual and electric modes based on your repair needs. With a manual torque of 3.5 Newton meters and an electric torque range of 0.3 to 0.35 Newton meter, this tool gives you precise control at every step. The anodized aluminum alloy shell is anti-slip, sweat-resistant, and corrosion-resistant. Combined with 13 battery safety tests and triple charging protection, the DIY 51-in-1 precision screwdriver set is a reliable companion for any repair task. Number 2. Glacok S6 MAX Electric Screwdriver. This is the Glacok S6 MAX Precision Electric Screwdriver, a powerful 5-speed tool designed for high-accuracy electronic repair and everyday do-it-yourself tasks. It features 5 adjustable torque levels: 0.12, 0.22, 0.32, 0.42, and 0.52 Newton meters. With a simple long press, you can adjust torque and activate the built-in circular LED light for clear visibility, even in low light conditions. Powered by a 3.7-volt lithium battery with a capacity of 500 mAh, the Glacok S6 MAX can tighten up to 400 screws on a single charge. The motor reaches a rotation speed of 180 revolutions per minute, making it efficient for delicate and complex tasks. The body is built with carbon fiber, offering superior impact resistance and a lightweight feel. It includes 42 precision S2 steel bits, with a hardness rating of 60 on the Rockwell hardness scale. The set includes both 28mm standard bits and 39mm extended bits, ideal for working in narrow or recessed spaces. All components are stored neatly in a magnetic case with a pop-up mechanism for easy access. Both the chuck and bits are magnetic, ensuring secure attachment and fast bit changes. With a universal Type C charging port and accurate manual torque of 3.5 Newton meters, the Glacok S6 MAX delivers performance, durability, and convenience in one compact tool. Number 1. MINIWARE ES15 S. This is the MINIWARE ES15 SA Compact, intelligent electric screwdriver built for precision, control, and long-lasting performance. It offers 3 operating modes: Smart Motion Control Mode, Directional Mode, and Manual Mode. In Smart Motion Control, a slight twist of the wrist lets you switch between forward and reverse. In Directional Mode, you can preset the direction manually for repetitive tasks. If a screw is stuck, simply use Manual Mode to loosen it, then switch back to electric operation. Powered by a high-performance cordless motor, the ES15 delivers a maximum speed of 470 rotations per minute. It provides up to 0.16 Newton meter of electronic torque and up to 2 Newton meters in manual mode. The built-in torque impact and anti-stuck functions ensure each screw is driven precisely and securely, especially when working with hexagon socket screws. The internal lithium battery lasts up to 6 hours of continuous no-load use and charges fully in just 50 minutes. The intelligent battery management system protects the battery and extends its lifespan during storage. Equipped with an upgraded OLED screen that is 30% larger, the ES15 displays key information with clarity. The body is made from high-quality 304 stainless steel for durability. It also features a shadowless LED light for clear visibility in dark spaces and a USB Type-C charging port for universal convenience. With 24 precision bits included, The MINIWARE ES15S is a powerful, intelligent tool ideal for electronics, repair, and daily projects. There you have it, the best cordless electric screwdrivers of 2026. Check the description for more info and links. Like and subscribe for more quick tool reviews.